Hello, my name is Alma Cruz. I'm a senior at Highland Park High School. I am involved in soccer, volleyball, cheer, and track. I work at the Boys and Girls Club and Blind Tiger.
We chose Alma because she is a great example of what a Scot is. She has great student spirit and she takes advantage of everything that we have, whether it's CEP classes, AP classes, all kinds of sports and anything that she can get her hands on, she's a part of.
Not only is she top 3 student, not only is she a leader on the soccer team, she's doing all these other things, volunteering, being a tutor, doing all these things to not only help her, but to help all those around her.
I think one thing that makes her stand out is just how confident she is and who she is and what she believes in. But she's very determined. Just having talked to her, she's been accepted to at least, 12 colleges. She did the Common App application, and she said, I underestimated myself.
I achieve in my academics because of my parents, because they didn't even go to high school, and they're trying to give me every opportunity they can. After high school, I will be attending the military. After my first year doing full-time, I do plan on going to college, even if it's just online. In college, I want to get my master's in biology or chemistry to become a doctor.
I just love that she is showing other students that it can be done, regardless of her being the first person in her family to pursue post-secondary education and the military. It can be done. And it just takes the passion and the want and the will to keep going, and she does do that.
She's willing to work through the challenges. So sometimes when kids hit a wall, they just stop and they want to shut down. She's willing to drive through that wall and to understand. She's driven to be the best and do the best that she can.
So my advice to Alma would be just to stay true to who you are, keep doing what you're doing, and keep your goals in front of you, and just don't be afraid to speak your mind, which she really isn't.
My advice to Alma would be for her to make sure she's taking moments to enjoy what she's a part of. I really want her to be excited and just enjoy every moment she lives.
My advice would be to advocate for yourself and get involved. I feel like graduation came a lot sooner than I expected, and it's becoming more surreal and it's kind of scary, but I'm excited for what the future holds.